Over 1 in 4 adults over 65 falls each year, but 3 simple leg moves you can do at home in under 10 minutes can slash that risk and keep you strong, steady, and independent. In this video, you'll learn the 3 daily leg exercises every senior over 60 should do, exactly how to do them safely, and how many reps science-backed sources recommend. Adults over the age of 60 often face challenges such as reduced muscle strength, stiff joints, and a greater risk of falls. These issues can make everyday activities like climbing stairs, standing up from a chair, or walking outside more difficult and sometimes intimidating. Many in this age group are not looking for heavy gym workouts or complicated equipment. They want practical, simple, and safe movements that can be performed at home. Health experts recommend that older adults engage regularly in aerobic exercise, muscle strengthening routines, and balance training. In this script, the focus is specifically on leg strength and balance exercises that can be done daily, since these 2 factors play a critical role in preventing falls and maintaining independence. One of the most powerful yet underrated exercises for seniors is the sit to stand. This movement closely mirrors everyday activities such as rising from a chair, standing up from the toilet, or getting out of bed. It primarily strengthens the thighs, hips, and glutes, which are essential for maintaining independence. To perform this exercise, sit on a sturdy chair with your feet placed about hip-width apart and positioned firmly on the ground. Shift your weight slightly forward, and using the strength of your legs rather than your arms, push yourself up to a standing position. Once upright, slowly lower yourself back down with control. Start with 5 repetitions and gradually build up over time. The key is to move steadily and avoid rushing. Slow, controlled motion helps strengthen the muscles while also improving balance and coordination. Calf raises are a simple but powerful way to build strength in the calves and ankles. These muscles play a vital role in walking, climbing stairs, and maintaining stability on uneven ground. Strong calves improve your ability to push off the ground with each step, which is essential for confident movement and reducing the risk of tripping or stumbling. To perform this exercise, stand tall while holding onto a sturdy chair or countertop for support. Slowly lift both heels off the ground so that you are standing on the balls of your feet. Hold the position briefly, then lower your heels back down with control. Avoid bouncing or rushing. Controlled movement is what builds both strength and balance. A good starting point is 5 repetitions. Over time, you can progress by performing the exercise without holding on to the chair, or by increasing the number of repetitions and sets as your balance and strength improve. Side leg raises are designed to strengthen the hip abductors, which are the muscles on the outside of your hips. These muscles are essential for keeping you upright when walking, turning, or stepping sideways. Weak hip abductors often lead to unsteadiness and make it more difficult to recover balance if you are thrown off center. Strengthening them is one of the most effective ways to lower the risk of falls. To practice this exercise, stand beside a chair and place one hand on it for balance. Slowly raise one leg out to the side while keeping your upper body straight and avoiding any leaning or tilting of the torso. Lower the leg back down with control, then switch to the other side. Begin with 5 repetitions for each leg. As you gain strength, try holding the leg at the top for 1 to 2 seconds before lowering. This small adjustment challenges the muscles further and builds greater stability. The best part about these 3 movements is that they can be combined into a short, daily routine that takes less than 10 minutes. Start with a warm-up by marching in place for 1 to 2 minutes. This increases circulation and prepares your muscles for exercise. Next, move into the circuit. 5 sit-to-stands, 5 calf raises, and 5 side leg raises on each leg. Complete the exercises in sequence, then repeat the entire circuit 2 to 3 times depending on your ability. This structure ensures a full workout for the major muscle groups that control strength, balance, and mobility. On 2 to 3 days each week, add a simple balance drill such as standing on one foot while holding onto a counter. Over time, this daily practice builds a foundation of strength and confidence that helps you move through life with greater stability and independence. Safety should always be the top priority when beginning any new exercise routine, especially for adults over 60. Always use a sturdy, non-wheeled chair and position yourself near a counter or wall for additional support if needed. This ensures that if you lose balance, you have something stable to hold on to. When performing each movement, go slowly and focus on control. You should feel the effort in your muscles, but never sharp pain in your joints. If pain occurs, stop and reassess your form. It is also important to start small and gradually increase your repetitions and sets over time. For example, begin with just 5 repetitions of each exercise and only add more once you feel comfortable and confident. If your balance is limited, chair-based options or seated variations are perfectly acceptable and still provide strength benefits. Remember, progress does not need to happen overnight. It is consistency that builds lasting strength. And of course, if you have existing health conditions or concerns, it is always wise to check with your healthcare professional before starting a new exercise routine. The 3 chosen exercises, sit to stand, calf raises, and side leg raises, are not random. They directly address the most common weaknesses that contribute to falls and mobility decline. Lower body strength, when combined with balance training, has been consistently shown to reduce the risk of falling and to extend mobility well into older age. Public health experts emphasize that strengthening the major muscle groups in the legs and hips is just as important as aerobic fitness because it helps maintain stability and ensures that older adults can continue performing everyday tasks safely. These 3 movements are simple, require no equipment, and can be adjusted to suit different fitness levels, making them ideal for adults over 60 who want to stay active and confident. Consistency is the key to seeing results and maintaining independence later in life. By practicing these simple leg exercises every day, you not only strengthen the muscles that support your hips, knees, and ankles, but also maintain joint flexibility and confidence in your movements. This consistency helps bridge the gap between formal workout days and daily living, ensuring your body remains active and capable. These 3 movements are not just exercises. They directly map to real-life actions like standing from a chair, climbing stairs, or stepping sideways to regain balance. Performing them daily complements the broader health recommendations for older adults, which encourage a mix of aerobic activity, strength training, and balance work each week. Together, these habits reduce the risk of falls, increase stability, and help older adults remain independent for as long as possible. A short daily routine may seem small, but over time it creates a powerful foundation for strength, mobility, and overall quality of life.